Here is how to add page numbers to your Google Doc. So let's get started. First, come to the doc where you'd want to add page numbers. And once you're here, click on Insert, that's over here. Then below, just click on Page Elements. And as you can see, this option, Page Numbers, has come. So here, they have these 4 standard options, which are in these boxes. So in the top 2 options, the page number will be on the top right, and in the bottom 2, it will be at the bottom right. And another change, if you see this option, is that the first page will start with 1, but in the second option, the second page starts with 1. So if you want, you can select an option from this, or else click on More Options. Then here you can decide if you want the page number in the header or footer, and if you want to show on the first page. So I'll leave it like this, and the last option is where you want to start at. So I'll leave it like this, and my first page should start with 1 in the header. Let's see if it happens. And as you can see, it's come here. And if I scroll down, 2 is over here. So one change you can make is related to the font and style of the page number. So if you select this, then you can make it smaller if you want. You can change the font, make it bold, italics. You have all these options. Then when you're done, just click anywhere else. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one.